Another Battle of the Big Boys MMA edition naman to. £200. Wild.
Light heavyweight division.
Oo. This is something that we don't see a lot dito sa URCC, especially recently. Pero ito na, mukhang nagbabalikan na sila lahat.
Oh, this is a Dynasty Fight Club. Madalang to ngayon. Cho Young-won. 6'4" din to.
Oo, malaking tao nito.
And his opponent in the red corner, Mariano Jones!
Red corner, Mariano Jones.
Of course, Mariano Jones. Alam natin na
balik ka MMA ngayon si Mariano Jones. Past outings niya dito were kickboxing, K1 kickboxing.
And he's only 27 years old, 5 feet 8 inches. He's lighter. He's 15 pounds lighter than his opponent. He's only 185 pounds. Medyo may personal vendetta kung dating ni Mariano Jones ngayon.
Kanina nga, kinuha niya yung mic and he had something to say about this. Sabi niya, this is personal for him.
Yes, with what happened sa kanya sa fight niya sa South Korea.
There was medyo malaking ingay back then about what happened to him when he fought there. Na parang hindi rin naman na nagkaroon ng resolution. Now his way of getting back at that weird one is
question is will he be able to redeem himself against this huge opponent of his, Cho Young-won. Magkakaalaman tayo. This round 1 is on the way. Masama na ang tingin ni Cho Young-won kay Mariano Jones.
Round 1. Our referee in charge, Florence Eusebio.
Third man inside the URCC cage, referee Florence Eusebio. Round 1, bakbaka na. Cho Young-won, blue corner. Mariano Jones, red corner. Jones
will have to
pinned down by Cho.
Yes.
Let's see if Mariano Jones can escape from this position right now.
Jones trying to get out of this position.
Cho is utilizing the weight over Mariano Jones.
And yung nasa gilid sila ng cage ng ganito is not helping out.
Let's see if Mariano Jones can escape in this position.
This is a tough position to
Tough position for him, yeah.
We'll find out if he can get out of this. Shows on half guard now. On side control rather.
Maganda yung pagkakagamit ni Cho ng bigat niya against Mariano Jones.
Jones still trying to get out. Kontrolado niya.
Lalo na ngayon, naka-trap yung
braso ni Jones.
Hindi maalis ni Jones yung kaysa niyang yung right arm niya. He's trapped.
Jones trying to get a submission out of this position.
trying to escape that position right now. And Cho will try to go for a Kimura here. That was a good escape by Mariano Jones.
Nadali lang siya ulit ni Cho.
Half-guard position, 10 seconds. Ang ganda gumamit ni Cho ng bigat.
Alam niya yung weight transfer niya. I'm sure.
And that's it for our first round.
Yung ganyan for,
marami ring supporters si Cho rito ngayon. Kanina yung attempt ni Cho, he tried to go for a suplex against Mariano Jones. Pero natuluyan pa rin kahit nasa ground na sila eh. Nag-convert pa rin yung ginawa niya.
And I wonder what Mariano will do for this next round.
Round 2.
Round 2.
Round 2.
Jab by Cho. Mariano just trying to come in with that jab of his own. And body punches.
Trying to attack the body to si Jones, pero
still trying to figure out what to do against Cho. There's another takedown attempt.
yeah, there's a
Successful takedown by Cho. You see how Cho is utilizing the weight against Mariano Jones. Silyadong-silyado yung katawan niya.
And it seems like si Cho ang may grudge against Mariano and not the other way around with what's happening. Cho is throwing everything he can with bad intentions.
Gusto yung tapusin na yung laban kagad. Mariano Jones needs to do something about this position.
He's definitely at a disadvantage in this position. And he's struggling to get out.
And we can see that Cho is very comfortable in this position.
In the way that Cho has been controlling Mariano in this one.
10 seconds para sa ating second round. That's it for the second round.
Yes.
Round 3.
Third and final round. Mariano Jones versus Cho. Can Mariano Jones redeem himself against Cho Young-won? Trying to go for that uppercut.
The tough one for...
Being pressed against the fence by heavier weight.
Something have happened. What is that?
It was Cho's eye was accidentally poked by Mariano Jones. Now Cho is being checked by a...
Stood up and was wanting to finish it.
He wants to finish the fight na.
Hirap, may halong gigil pareho.
Hindi na naiiwasan ni Mariano yung sugod ni Cho no? Exchange of punches right there.
While Mariano's pinned on the cage.
Oh, mabigat si Cho
You can imagine 200 pounds, 400 plus. Pinning you on
plus all
the
that
fence.
force.
Now he
Mariano trying to throw those short punches. Yeah.
How he's gonna, change it up is question.
To bring Mariano down again. Another successful takedown. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Cho completely dominating this fight on the ground against him. And that's it.
Time.
The fight will go to the judges' scorecard for decision. While waiting for the judges' scorecard for the decision, of course, we're inviting everyone to check us out at ABS-CBN, I1TFC.com, and for more exciting matches and added spice to your combat sports entertainment, you can check us out at DFC.bet.
Winner in the blue corner, Cho Young-won.
Oh, it's official, your winner, Cho Young-won. Completely dominating the fight against Mariano Jones.